Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the frothy was not working properly and it wasn't doing it wasn't frothing the milk the way it's supposed to do. We had to disassemble the entire machine in order to replace this little part that you see right here. This is the coupling carafe of the carafe itself, and it was not working the way it's supposed to. We also did clean everything inside to make sure that there was nothing clogging up the thermal block that is located on the back of the machine, and make sure that the steam and water was flowing the way it's supposed to. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test this machine. Ceramic container. Apologies for that, it was not inserted all the way fully. Okay, let me just do a cappuccino. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the brew unit, the one that you see right here. Deep cleaning everything inside the machine, deep cleaning the spouts specifically as well, clean the grinder as well. We also did clean from that oil, that residue in the grinder. We also did clean around the cover case, the funnel. We relubricated the transmission and deep cleaned the shower screen of the generator, as well as replace the o-ring of the generator as well. So right now, as you saw, we were testing the frother. We'll do that again properly. Right now we're testing the spouts, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really good caramel formula at the top, working really well. We're gonna stop it right there, as I don't want my cup to be overflow, and then we can start testing again the carafe. We're gonna do another cappuccino, and this time it's going to be testing just the frothy properties of the milk. As you can see, it works perfectly fine depending on the level that you want. We're having good frothing coming out of the machine. Working great. The quantity of milk can be programmed with the machine, as well as the quantity of coffee. As you can see, we're not using real milk, we're using milk cleaners, which is going to substitute how the milk will come out. Nice flow coming out of the machine, working really well. And the cleaning cycle of the carafe as well, working perfectly fine. As you can see, lots of steam coming out of there, the way it's supposed to look. Make it a good seal and working. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino working and frothing milk the way it's supposed to. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.